Get ready for a tropical treat. Today we're making a creamy coconut avocado ice cream with a natural sweetener. It's rich, easy to make, and is perfect for a guilt-free dessert. Let's dive in and create this refreshing bowl of goodness. No churning. For this recipe, you can use a stand mixer, a hand mixer, a blender, or an ice cream machine. You can even use a manual whisk to churn. We will be using 1 ripe avocados between medium size to large. You want to ensure that the avocado is 100% ripe because the ice cream is going to get a bitter aftertaste. Scoop the flesh of the avocados into your blender or your mixing bowl, and of course you can peel this by hand as well. And you want to add some coconut powder to this. I am going to leave the written recipe in the description box. Blend the coconut powder and the avocado until it is nice and smooth. It should come together nice like this without leaving any lumps. Next, we are going to add our sweetener. For our sweetener, we are going to be using blue agave syrup, which is a natural sweetener that comes from the blue agave plant, which is also used to make tequila. The sap is used to make the syrup. Honey and monk fruit sugar are also good options for natural sweeteners. Next, we're going to add 35% cold whipping cream. Heavy cream is also a good option. Pop the whipping cream in the freezer just before use for about 15 minutes. Once you have blended it for about 2 minutes, this is the outcome. Pour it into a dish or something that can hold up in the freezer. It's nice, it's creamy, it's fluffy like a mousse. The texture should be fluffy enough that when you twirl it around, it should make ribbons. Naturally, the flavor of avocado and coconut pairs well together, which means the flavor and the texture of this avocado ice cream is unmatched. It looks simple, but it's very delicious. Cover it over with some plastic wrap. Pressing the plastic wrap onto the ice cream, and you want to freeze this. You want to freeze this for a minimum of 8 to 9 hours. I froze this overnight, and this is the outcome. Now that our avocado ice cream is ready, I'm scooping out a generous portion into my ice cream glass. If it feels a bit too hard, just let it sit on the counter for about 15 minutes and it will soften up beautifully. Enjoy every creamy bite. If you have an idea of another natural sweetener that I can use or someone else can use, please drop it in the comments. I will definitely love to try it in this guilt-free dessert. I am garnishing with a little bit of sweetened coconut, and as I take a spoonful, you can really taste the creamy coconut and the subtle avocado. It's rich, refreshing, and not too sweet. This is the perfect balance of tropical flavors in every bite. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.